If you want to create a truly unique AI voice for your content, narration, or projects, ElevenLabs now makes that easier than ever with voice design. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a custom voice from scratch, step by step, using the new ElevenLabs Voice Design tool. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start inside your ElevenLabs dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Voices. This is where all of your voice tools and custom voice options live. Once you're in the Voices section, look for the option that says Add a new voice. Click that and then choose Voice Design. This is the feature that lets you generate a brand new voice based on a text prompt instead of uploading a sample. Now you'll see a prompt field. This is where you type a descriptive style script for the type of voice you want. Be specific here, because the more details you give, the better the result usually sounds. For example, you might describe the age, tone, pacing, emotion, accent, or energy of the voice. Think of this as giving the AI a creative brief for the voice you want it to build. If you want a faster shortcut, you can also use the quick tags below the prompt. These are preset style profiles that can instantly guide the generation in a certain direction. They're useful if you want to save time or quickly test different voice styles without rewriting the entire prompt. Next, move to the preview text box and insert your text sample. This is the sample line or script that the voice will read during generation, so choose something that reflects the kind of content you plan to use later. A clean preview text helps you judge the voice more accurately once it's generated. After that, click the Settings button to open the Advanced Control panel. Here, you'll find a few important options that help refine the final result. First, adjust the loudness slider. This controls the dynamic range of the voice, so you can make it sound softer, fuller, more energetic, or more controlled depending on your preference. Then, tune the guidance scale slider. This setting affects how closely the generated voice follows your prompt. If you want a result that sticks tightly to your description, increase the guidance. If you want something a little more flexible or creative, you can lower it slightly and compare the results. You'll also see a switch for Generate Preview Text. If you turn this on, the system will automatically handle sample variations for you. That can be helpful if you want ElevenLabs to create and test voice samples with less manual input. If you prefer more control, you can leave it off and work with your own text sample directly. Once everything looks good, click the Generate Voice button. ElevenLabs will compile your new custom voice and create free samples for you to review. Take your time here and listen carefully to each one. Compare the tone, clarity, style, and overall feel, then choose the sample that sounds best for your needs. After you find the one you like, press the Select Voice button. This locks in your preferred version and moves you to the final step. Now you can give the voice a name and save it to your library. Naming it clearly makes it much easier to find later when you're using it in projects, voiceovers, videos, or content creation workflows. And that's it. You've just made your own unique voice using ElevenLabs Voice Design. From here, you can reuse it in future projects and keep building a consistent sound for your brand or channel. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.